Most caves look harmless at first. But underground, one small mistake can trap you forever. These are 10 terrifying stories of people trapped underground. Story 1, Neil Moss. In 1959, experienced cave explorer Neil Moss entered a tight cave system in England. As he moved deeper underground, the tunnel suddenly became too narrow to escape. Rescuers tried pulling him out for hours, but every movement trapped him even tighter. The deeper position also made breathing harder and harder. Eventually, Neil Moss died trapped inside the cave. Story 2, Mark Dickey. In 2023, cave explorer Mark Dickey was exploring deep underground in Turkey. But suddenly, his body started shutting down. He was trapped nearly 1,000 meters underground with severe internal bleeding. Hundreds of rescuers worked together to slowly bring him back to the surface. Against all odds, he survived. Story 3, Riesending Cave Rescue. A German explorer was deep inside Riesending Cave when disaster struck. Falling rocks seriously injured him almost a kilometer underground. The rescue became one of the largest cave rescues ever attempted. For days, rescuers carefully moved him through narrow tunnels and vertical shafts. After nearly 2 weeks underground, he finally escaped alive. If you are liking the video, please do like and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Now let's move on to another terrifying story. Story 4, Cave of the Crystals. Deep underground, in Mexico, lies one of the deadliest caves on Earth. The Cave of the Crystals becomes so hot that humans can barely survive inside. Without special cooling suits, people can collapse within minutes. It looks beautiful, but underground beauty can also become deadly. Story 5, Salmon Cunin. During the Thailand cave rescue, one diver volunteered for a dangerous mission. Former Navy SEAL, Salmon Cunin, entered the flooded cave system alone. But deep underwater, he began running out of oxygen. He lost consciousness and never returned from the mission. He died trying to save trapped children. Story 7, Ice Cave Trap. Ice caves may look safer than rock caves, but they can collapse without warning. One explorer became trapped when the frozen tunnel suddenly collapsed behind him. For hours, he waited underground, inside freezing darkness. Luckily, rescuers reached him before the cave completely sealed shut. Story 8, Underwater Cave Diver. Underwater cave diving is often called the deadliest form of diving. One diver suddenly lost visibility deep underwater. Inside the underground maze, every direction looked the same. He ran out of oxygen before finding the exit. Story 9, Mining Tunnel Collapse. Not every underground trap happens inside caves. A sudden tunnel collapse trapped workers deep underground. For days, rescuers drilled through rock, trying to reach them. Some survived long enough to finally escape, while others were trapped there forever. Story 10, Final Claustrophobia Story. Some caves become so tight that the human body simply cannot turn around. One explorer pushed forward, hoping the tunnel would open up. Instead, the passage became even smaller, and there was no place to escape or exit. Now imagine realizing underground that there is no room left to escape. Underground, nature does not care how prepared you are. Sometimes, one wrong step is all it takes. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to see more videos like this. Comment your thoughts and suggestions. Your one like can help me get my further studies. Thanks a lot.